cardboard. So friends, now let's start the activity. So friends, now let's do the activity. Friends, hold the glass and press the cardboard tightly and turn it upside down quickly. Now gently remove your hand from the cardboard. Now you will observe that the cardboard and the water do not fall. This is because that the air exerts pressure. So friends, we have experimented that the water and the cardboard do not fall. What a beautiful magic is it! You can also do it at home and prove that air exerts pressure. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel AADYA'S Knowledge Hub and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you friends. See you in the next video.